Hi, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about Operation Christmas Child making a portable fishing kit. Now, before we get started, just click on the subscribe button below and then the little bell so you get notified every time I make a video. So first of all, as far as a container, I have this tiny tea sampler container. It's pretty small, but it works perfect, and I'll show you why. Originally, I wanted to use these larger tea containers, but these actually didn't fit everything I needed to fit because of the size of the bobbers. So we won't be using these, but that's okay because it's less pressure on me to empty all of these and drink all the tea. What we're going to do is take this small tea sampler. We have some fishing hooks. I don't know if you can see. And I already went ahead and took out a couple of each size. I didn't really count a specific number, but I actually poked myself with them when I was taking them out. And so that's the reason that I decided to make sure that these go in some type of metal container so the kids don't dump them out into their hand and like poke themselves. So I'm gonna put, it looks like, I don't know, maybe 6 hooks of varying sizes will go inside here. Next, we have these little, I forget what they're called. I haven't gone fishing since I was a little kid. But the things that you put to try to attract the fish. So we're going to take, I don't know, 3 of those and put them in here. Next, we have some of these weighted bobbers, just to help the string sink down into the water. So again, we're going to take a couple of each size and drop them in there. Next, I ordered these compasses, and they're not specifically like a fishing item, I guess, but it's a cute little outdoor item. It's not going to go in here, but it's going to go in our kit when it's done. We are also going to put in 1 or 2 bobbers. Again, not in here, but it'll go in the kit when it's done. The last thing that we're going to put in here, fishing string. What I'm going to do, this is multicolored. I think I'm just going to unravel all of one color and then cut it. And that's how I'll decide how much string goes in each box. Okay, now that we have it wrapped, we're just going to kind of slide it off. I did wrap it a little bit too tight, but that's okay. I should still be able to get it off. And now we will put it into this container. So as a reminder, in here we have about 6 hooks, 6 sinkers of varying sizes, 3 of the little fake fishy bait things, and a pack of string. Now, what we're going to do, we will cover this and we will put this in a burlap bag. Now, as you can see, the reason I didn't put the whole fishing kit in here is because I don't want the hooks poking out through the bag. So we add our little kit. We add our little compass that they can tie to a jacket or something. And we add 1 or 2 bobbers depending on the size. And that's our fishing kit. That is everything that you need for a basic fishing kit. And even if this isn't for Operation Christmas Child, this is something that you can just kind of like keep in your truck if you're that kind of person who may just fish on a whim. And please comment below, let me know if you put fishing kits in your boxes, if you add anything that I forgot, or if I don't need some of this stuff, let me know. And I hope to hear from you. And please subscribe. Remember to like, comment, and definitely subscribe.